Welcome to Activity 32. In this missing number equations activity, we will be developing fluency with two-part bonds of 10 in related addition and subtraction equations where there is a missing part. The reason they're related is if we look at this row here, they all have a whole of 10 and they are all made up of either the parts of 2 or 8 in that row. The aim of the activity is to fill a row and to be the first player to place all 4 counters. Let's begin. The first player spins, and remembering that the number spun is the missing part, so it goes where the line is. They spin 7. You don't need to do this with bomb blocks, but for the video I just want to provide an example. So we know the whole is 10. They've spun a part of 7, so they need to think what joins with 7 to build 10, and the answer is 3. So they need to look for an equation that has a whole of 10 and a part of 3, so as they can place the 7 as the missing number. So looking for 10 and 3, I can see that is in this row here. I have the whole of 10 and a part of 3 and a whole of 10 and a part of 3. I'm going to choose to place my counter here. When I place it, it's important that I say the equation. 3 add 7 equals 10. And then it's player 2's turn. When they spin, they have spun a 1. So again, they are going to be looking for an equation. They know the 10 is the whole. They've spun the part of 1, so they need to look for the equation that has a whole of 10 and a part of 9. We could place it in the addition equation here or the subtraction equation here. I'm going to place it here, and I say 10 subtract 1 equals 9 and place my counter. When you're playing this game, there's a few options to make it a little easier. First of all, you could cover half of the board and just play using the addition equations. And you could either play for who fills a row of 2 parts, or you could play for 3 minutes, and the player who places the most number of counters in that time would win. After you complete the addition equations, you would repeat and do the subtraction equations. Alternatively, you'll notice that there's the right and wipe symbol on the top. You could select one row, such as the 8 and 2, build that with the bomb blocks, place it in a write and wipe sleeve if it's an original, and use this to solve the missing part in each equation and write it on.